Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to the Skills Academy. Viewers, in this video we will discuss the most important and the most repeated MCQs based on Pakistan studies, Pak studies. This video will also be helpful to the students who want to prepare the MCQs relating to Pakistan affairs, Indo-Pak history, pre-partition history or political science. This is the part 1 of the video and the later parts will be uploaded soon. Question number 1 is: military strength of East India Company and the financial support of Jagat Seth of Murshidabad gave birth to events at option A Plassey, option B Panipat, option C none of these, and the right answer is option A Plassey, the war of Plassey. Viewers, if you are a newcomer, please subscribe to our channel so that our latest videos will reach to you within time and without any delay. Question number 2 is: Clive in one of his gazettes made it mandatory that no Muslim shall be given an employment higher than that of chaprasi or a junior clerk as recorded by Majumdar, option B Hassan Isfahani, option C Karamat Ali, and option D none of these. The right answer is option B Hassan Isfahani. Question number 3 is: Nawab Sir Salimullah Khan was president of Bengal Muslim League in option A 1903, option B 1913, option C 1923, and option D none of these. Viewers, the right answer is 1912. So D option, none of these is the right answer. Question number 4 is: the first issue of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad's Al-Hilal came out on 13th July. In which year? The right answer is 1912. It is the very important question. Question number 5 is: which are the aligned years in Pakistan's foreign policy? Viewers, in Pakistan's foreign policy is history 1954 to 1962. Those 8 or 9 years are called aligned years, and the option B is the right answer. Question number 6 is: Rachna and Bari Doabs are considered as thickly populated regions. Thickly populated regions. Option A is the right answer. Question number 7 is: who recalled Muhammad bin Qasim from Sindh? Caliph Walid, Caliph Suleiman, Caliph Abdulaziz, and none of these. And the right answer is option B Caliph Suleiman, who recalled Muhammad bin Qasim from Sindh. Question number 8 is: who for the first time translated the Holy Quran in Urdu language? Viewers, for the first time Shah Abdul Qadir and Shah Rafiuddin translated the Holy Quran in Urdu language. Option B is the right answer. Question number 9 is: name the saint who first came in Lahore, Ali Makhdoom Hajweri or Sheikh Ismail or Data Ganj Bakhsh or none of these. Viewers, Sheikh Ismail was the first saint who came in Lahore. Option B is the right answer. Viewers, before going to the next question, it is important to inform you that this channel, Skills Academy, is a unique platform which provides you the academic related information as well as the job related information in a single platform. So, if you have applied for any government job, this is the best platform for you. Here's question number 10 is: Ghiyasuddin Balban declared himself king of Delhi Sultanate in the year and the right answer is option B, 1266. Question number 11 is who founded Daulatabad and shifted the capital of Delhi Sultanate? The famous King Feroz Shah Tughlaq founded Daulatabad and shifted the capital of Delhi Sultanate. So the option C is the right answer. Question number 12 is on 7th August Muhammad Ali Jinnah left India for the last time and flew to Karachi. Option C is the right answer. Question number 13 is Junagadh was a small maritime state and had an area of 4,500 square kilometer. This is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Question number 14 is the Pakistan Forest Institute, a national organization, was established in the year 1947. Option B is the right answer. Question number 15 is the first Muslim general entered victorious in the subcontinent Indo-Pak in the year 712 AD and he was Muhammad bin Qasim. Question number 16 is who became the first Sultan of newly established Muslim Sultanate of Delhi in 1207? Shahabuddin Ghori, Qutbuddin Aibak, Zahiruddin Babar, or none of these? And the right answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. He became the first Sultanate of newly established Muslim Sultanate of Delhi. Question number 17 is Pakistan's ideology is based on the ideals of Islam. Option C is the right answer. Question number 18 is the demand of separate electorate for Indian Muslims was first accepted in the Act of 1919. In 1919 Act, first time the demand of separate electorate for Indian Muslims was accepted by British government. Question number 19 is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, the architect of the name of Pakistan, died on 12th February 1951. Option B is the right answer. Question number 20 is Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, while addressing a meeting at Rawalpindi, was assassinated on October 16, 1951. Option B is the right answer. Question number 21 is the Legal Framework Order LFO, which amended a constitution of Pakistan unilaterally, was issued by obviously Yahya Khan, a dictator. Option A is the right answer. Question number 22, Durand Line, which divides the borders of Pakistan and Afghanistan, is as long as. Option A is the right answer, 2,252 kilometers. It is the length of Durand Line. Question number 23 is RCD, Regional Cooperation for Development, was established among Pakistan, Iran and Turkey in 1964 and was annulled annulled means it was abolished or finished in the year 1979. Option B is the right answer. Question number 24 is the downfall of Muslim rule in India started with the demise of the King Aurangzeb. Option B is the right answer. Question number 25 is the Holy Quran was first translated into Persian by Shah Waliullah. Option C is the right answer. Viewers, question number 26 is Anjaman-e-Islamia Punjab was founded for Renaissance of Islam in the year. Option B is the right answer, 1859. Question number 27 is who divided Bengal into East and West Bengal in July 1905? Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon divided Bengal into East and West Bengal in July 1905, but unfortunately later on this order was set aside or recalled. Question number 28 is Dayarchi was first introduced in the Act of 1919. The Act of 1919 is also called Dayarchi. Question number 29 is the Simon Commission arrived in India on 3rd February 1927, 3rd February 1928, 3rd February 1929, or none of these? And the right answer is 3rd February 1928. Option B is the right answer. Here's our last question is, the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald announced the Communal Award in 1932 at the end of Second Round Table Conference. At the end of Second Round Table Conference in 1932, the British PM, the then British PM Ramsay MacDonald announced the Communal Award. Viewers, as you see, this video is based on 30 MCQs. Very soon we will upload the next part of the Pak Affairs and Pakistan Study MCQs. I hope you will be pleased to watch this video.